In the last video, we had discussed about present simple tense, and in this video, we are going to discuss about present continuous tense. Why we call this tense present continuous tense? Because subject is doing the work. The magic formula is subject plus helping verb is MR plus verb ing and the plus object. Like I am reading a book, she is playing the guitar, they are playing football. Am used for I, is for he, she, it, or are used for we, you, and they. Next is a present perfect tense. Why we call this a perfect tense? Because subject done the work. And the magic formula is that plus subject has have plus verb third form. We always use verb third form in a perfect tense, whether it's a present, past, and future. We use has with he, she, it, or singular name. Have, I, we, you, they. Like he has finished his work, I have done my work, they have played football. Got it? The next is present perfect continuous. The magic formula is the subject has, have, been plus verb plus ing. Has been used with he, she, it, and have been used I, we, you, they. Use since or for in the present perfect continuous. Use since. We use since with the starting point in time, and we use for with the period of time or duration. In a easy words, where time is confirmed, we are use since, and where time is not be confirmed, we are going to use for. Like I have been studying since 8 o'clock, starting time. She has been living here since 2020, starting here. They have been friends since Monday, starting day. Like use of for, I have been studying for 2 hours. Period of time and not a starting point. She has been living here for 5 years. They have been studying for 30 minutes. Period of time. So since show that starting point and for shows the period of duration. Hope you guys understand. For